Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Cancers. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Happy New Year, Cancers! And my God, we are into the new year. Yay! And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Make sure to watch your 2022 pick a card readings and horoscope readings. Links are in the timestamps. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So let's see, Cancers. What is the theme of the month for you? Then we'll see your love and work situation. So Cancers, what is their theme of the month? Okay, lots of cards are coming out, but let's see. Wow. Ooh, Cancers, Two of Cups. So definitely this is a month of romance, love, partnerships are highlighted for you. Wow, that's amazing. And look at that, Six of Wands, success. A lot of success is coming for you, Cancers. This is a month of success. This is a month of partnerships, love, relationships, harmony, happiness coming into your life, and success. Wow, that's beautiful. The King of Wands, yes, this is you are going to take charge of your life. You are going to take charge of your destiny, Cancers. You are very powerful this month, and also you are very, very lucky. So congratulations. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important for you this month. I also feel some of you are trying to attract new friendships. You want people who can understand you, support you, not like love but friendships. Yes, Cancers, it is going to happen for you. I also feel some of you are definitely going to find success at work, and definitely you are a path breaker. You are going ahead. You are taking charge. You are taking leaps. You are leading, Cancers. This is a month of leadership. This is a month of taking charge of your destiny and like, yes, I can do it. Wow, this is a very powerful month for you, Cancers. And yes, love is highlighted. Relationships of all sorts are highlighted. If you are single, a twin flame love is coming. If you are already married, more passion, more love is coming in your marriage. Let us see your love life now. Eight of Cups. The Four of Cups. Love life for Cancers. Okay, love life for Cancers. Ooh, lots of cards are coming out for you. In fact, it's like the entire deck wants to come out, Cancers, for you. It's interesting. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So, wow, in the first week of January, friends, you might be moving out of a relationship, or you are definitely recovering from a heartache or from somebody from the past. I do feel you are on the path of success and happiness, Cancers. You don't want to focus on the past. You are definitely moving out of a relationship. Four of Cups, yes, I do feel this is the week where you are taking some time, especially if you are single. You are taking some time to fall in love. You are not in a rush. You are taking your time. Three of Cups, yes, celebrations are going to happen. Some of you could be celebrating an anniversary if you are married, or some of you could be celebrating meeting some new connections, new lovers. This is more a friend oriented week. You know, first week is more like your focus is on friendships rather than on love. I also feel, friends, in the first week, you are definitely someone who moved away from you is returning back into your life, like somebody who left you, they are coming back. Or if somebody was in third party, they are going to definitely contact you, Cancers, in the first week. But if you are single, your focus is more on friendships. Your focus is more on flirting, taking your time, and not committing to anyone the first week. It's more a friendly week. Celebrations are there. Let's see the second week. Ooh, okay. So second week is a little heavy. I feel somebody who hurted you, there your relationships could be a little intense, your relationships could be a little pressurized. I also feel someone who left you or someone who has hurted you in the past, they are trying to come back and with you again. Ace of Swords, some communications are going to happen, some important decisions will be made in the second week of January. I also feel you may feel confused what to do about your love life or what decisions to take in your partnerships. There is definite confusion in your mind, but I think you will be able to sort this out in the second week because you are very wise. You have the Queen of Pentacles, so you are definitely choosing people who value you or who support you. And a Cancer, Capri, oh my god, I can't talk right now. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, Cancer. So yes, I do feel the second week is a little, confusing for you because there are decisions and you will have to decide which is the right thing, what is the right thing or decision for you. So you have to choose. I also feel choose yourself. So definitely choose yourself. Any decision, any choice that supports you or favors your well-being is important, Cancers. Let's see the third week. Wow. Third week is very important for you, Cancers, because a lot is happening in your love life. I do feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important, or some passionate encounters, passionate dates, or passionate moments will happen in your love life. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important. Some of you may also have to decide between two people, two partners. You will have to choose in the third week which is your person or which one you want to be. Also, if you are going through third parties, it is the third week where they will get activated. The third week is the time when third parties may get activated. The Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person, yes. In the third week, Cancers, you have a choice. You can act with passion or with your with logic. So you may also see your person acting with passion or with logic. Either or things will not, this is a tough week, friends. Third week is a little tricky for you because Mercury is going retrograde. There is also a full moon in Cancer which is in your sign itself, so things will seem a little dramatic in the third week. But the moon, yes, you know the answers deep within your heart. You know what is the answer to your solutions, your problems. You know the situation, you know it in your heart. So follow your heart, friends, and take your time in making any decisions. The Seven of Wands, yes, people from your past will be coming back. Even past issues may reappear again in the third week, but focus on harmony, focus on what is deep within your heart wants, focus on that. Your love will heal. Let's see the final week. Wow, the final week, things are definitely getting back, and your person may apologize for all the drama they gave you in the third week, and they will definitely be crying over you. And the Knight of Wands, yes, there is a lot of passion returning back into your love life, Cancers, and balance is coming back into your life. You are definitely enjoying your love, and between the new moon and the full moon in this January, a lot will happen in your love life, but eventually it is only giving you the relationship or the love that is destined for you. So let's see some advice, Cancers. Cancers, their love life, advice. Okay. Balance, wow, balance again. 11-11, twin flame connections, intuition. I told you, listen to your intuition, friends. This month, yes, it is necessary to stay in balance, friends. Also, Cancers, remember to choose, you will have to listen, you will have to find a midway between your heart and mind. You will have to find it. Also, listen to your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you, so listen to your intuition. Confusion, mental conflict, yes, certain things will happen which will make you feel confused about your love life, certain decisions, but I think you know the answer. Your intuition knows the answer, so please listen to your intuition, Cancers, because the love of your life is here. So that's the thing. Let's see your work and career, Cancers, in January. the Hierophant, the Eight of Cups. Okay. Rest and rejuvenate, positive movement forward, and transformations. So, wow, I do feel, friends, one thing is for sure, you are very, very, you are a leader at your work and career. You are definitely leading. You are in the position of supporting others, taking charge of others' job and career. Also, you are in the position of, inspiring others, leading others. Yes, some of you may be feeling a little disappointed at your work and career, like you are not having a lot of money or something like that. Some of you may also be missing the past, like you have to leave a job or something, or you are working from home, so you are missing that, good old days of being at the office or something like that. So those things will affect you. But positive movement forward, yes, your life is, your career is moving into positive cycle. I also feel any actions that you take for your career, that will be positively rewarded. Yes, I do feel any actions, any hard work you put in, it will be a lot of good rewards. I also feel you will be very busy this month, Cancer. So please make sure to rest and rejuvenate. Take time to rest from now and then from your work, because health is very important for us. Again, I am telling you, even I have got cold again, friends, because it is unbelievably cold. It's not, it never gets so cold in my city, but oh my god, it is cold, friends. It is cold, and right today only it became very cold. Almost it's 1 degree. That's a lot of cold. But it's okay. It will heal by tomorrow, definitely. So, yeah, rest and rejuvenate. Take time to rest. Transformations, yes, you are ready for some big changes. Some of you could actually be starting something new, a new promotion, a new hobby, or something. I also feel, Cancers, this is. Some of you could be going to schools for as teachers. Some of you could be going back to colleges. You may actually start teaching there where you are studying also. So there are big changes coming in your work and career. So yes, that's for sure. But some changes may feel a little like, should you do this or not? But I think you can do this. You can. Advice, earth and ground, yes, it is a very powerful month for you, friends, especially Cancers, for you, because a lot of energy is there. And Cancer, the new moon is also in Capricorn, which is right opposite to you, right? So make sure to meditate, make sure to stay grounded. Yes, your wishes are coming true. Whatever you want, it will happen, Cancers. And oh my god, Mother, Father, God. So yes, you are very much strongly connected to the spirit, to the universe, to angels, to the universe, to the nature. So you have a lot of support from divine signs, messages, and all those things. So congratulations, Cancers. Oops. Let's see. Oh my god, the cards keep dropping. Ooh, Claw, be careful, do not take risk. Yeah, I do feel that you should not take risks, especially with your health. Like, don't try to overwork, over stress yourself. Relax also. Temporary situations, the confusions are temporary. You will find the solutions. Crowning, yes. Honor and respect, yes. Respect is coming. April, somebody born in April could be important. Flowers, happiness is coming your way. February is important. April and February. Frying pan, trouble and accusations. Yeah, there are some drama may happen this month, friends, but yeah. Success assured with good plans and good work. Yeah, some of you could actually have chances of fertility or getting pregnant this month. Box, you will receive a gift. Wow, that's new. Wow, that's amazing, friends. This card I have never seen in this deck actually. So you are going to receive a gift this month, and good news is coming. December is also important. So April, February and December, and Cheerfield, someone new is entering your life, friends. So that's it for now, Cancer. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.